Well, it's rare with the therapies that we all use, laser therapies, that the teeth can't be saved. And we actually, all of us, are the last people in the world to take out teeth. So most of the time, we can save teeth that used to be thought to be hopeless. However, if in fact they are hopeless, there are great techniques that can replace the teeth with implants and give you a new complete set of teeth uh, really the same day. So that's a remarkable breakthrough. Two breakthroughs there. One, we save most of them, and two, if we can't, we can give you teeth back almost the same day.